So, did I mention I'm famous?
Ain't for everybody. Welcome to Hollywood, baby.
Picture.
Let's
not even talk about it.
Hey guys, what's up? It's me, Cece, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. I hope that you'll stay, subscribe, and become a part of the Fashion Ceesta family. Now, as you guys can see, I'm obviously in my vehicle, so I will be doing a different style video. Today, I thought it would be cool to bring you guys along vlog style. If you guys aren't aware, I did quit my job, and now I do work for myself as a full-time makeup artist. I will link that video somewhere up here in the cards. I'm not sure which side of the screen it'll be on, but I will make sure I link it in the cards if you guys want to get caught up. So I do have one of my longtime clients. She's wanting to learn how to do her own makeup. So today we are going to be doing a 101 plus shop. So like I said, I thought that would be very cool and a very different style of video to bring you guys along so that you guys can see exactly what it is that I do and also kind of give you a little bit of insight on how my one-on-one courses go. So see you guys in my next clip. Let's get on the road. So we're at our first location. This is Nakia. Hey. It's my client. So we're gonna just go in here. I'm gonna show her how to pick foundations for, oh shit, it's dark. But I'm gonna show her how to pick foundations for her, for like her everyday look. I definitely didn't want to take her somewhere that's gonna be super expensive just because like, it's everyday makeup. She doesn't need to have high-end stuff. So cheap is always the way to go, especially when you're just getting started. So see you guys when we get in the house.
Yeah. I don't know what the policy is.
There you go, Paula.
Okay, thanks.
I can't.
As long as you don't try to climb up on the ladder.
Okay, we might take some pictures on it. Is that frowned upon?
Which means 10 on. They'll come and get me for that.
I'm just messing with you, sir.
I know.
To medium, I know this price is kind of devilish, but the light to medium contour palette, you can use that. And basically it comes with 2-in-1, so even if you didn't want to do like the highlighter, which actually we can put back that Wet n Wild highlighter because this is kind of like a 3-in-1, and I try to, like, especially if you're just getting started, you don't want to be hauling a whole bunch of stuff, so you can put that back, and then we'll get this light to medium contour palette. I'm sure we have plenty of lip color, so that should be good to go. This is my client Nakia. You guys met her in the Walmart clip. I don't know if I'm going to put that in there, but she's here to do her one-on-one. We did a one-on-one today plus shop. Make sure you book while I'm still currently in Columbia. So we're doing the one-on-one plus shop. So I'm going to do this side of her face and I'll let her do the right side. So we'll get started with product and go from there. These are a few of the items that I had her purchase. We are just learning how to do a full face. Obviously for my one-on-ones for actual makeup artists, I will show you guys how to do that for clients, and at the end of her session she will get an ebook that you can use on Keynote. If you don't have an iPhone, I'm so sorry, I don't know how else you're going to get it unless I email the book to you, but it'll come with like all the components of basically the things that we're talking about and discussing when it just, you know, trying to learn how to do a full face of makeup. So we wanted to start out with drugstore products. Everything was super affordable. I think you only spent, well, if you didn't include the headbands, you would have spent like maybe like $60 or so on all of the products that we got from Walmart. And because you can use brushes for multiple things, you don't have to, you know, splurge.
Yes.
Okay, so
Did I mention I'm famous?
oh my god. Don't try to fill them in yet, just do the line, follow the line, like where your brows naturally arch. See the hair going up and off to the side? That's where you're gonna do your light hair strokes. That's what you want to make sure you're placing your coverage. Okay. So, because the outer end, it doesn't matter. You can blend it out because that's not going to be the focus. The focus of your face is the center of it.
Okay. So am I supposed to go circle?
Just go ahead and place the product. And the reason why you want to bring it down your neck is because you don't want to take no picture and like a mask, like your face just floating off your body.
That's true. I want my thighs to match.
I cannot play with you. An oval shaped head.
I thought I was heart shaped like Beyonce.
Oh, they're not. You have an oval shape. So the whole
She bad. She was good. Shut up.
it's fine though. Make the lid darker.
You talking about? Mm-hmm.
Like that. Like
I'm sorry. I'm doing better.
you want to just, and then once you get it, windshield wiper motions. See? It's a little aggressive, but
Look at her eyebrows.
let me see.
I was ready
But it's
to
not
fight.
bad. It's not bad.
I was ready to fight. I'm sorry.
You just like you. But it's not bad. No, definitely. You don't want to brush that way at all. So just. See, that's not, you're not doing bad at all. I feel like that's really what most people just need is just some direction.
Well, I had no idea I was doing my makeup completely wrong. Yeah, I couldn't understand why.
But
When you put my makeup on, well, I mean, of course you're professional. I know it's gonna look different, but when I put it on, it looks so cakey. But that's because I was my
Swiping.
application. Yeah, I'm
yeah,
swiping.
you gotta, layers is how it makes it look a little bit better.
So
Wait.
pretty, you did your own makeup?
I did.
Okay, you did have your own makeup. But you look so beautiful.
Thank you. I'm just regular.
Putting on your little old lady lip gloss.
You see it? 35 and older gloss.
This is our finished face. This is the side that I did. This is the side that she did. Can't really tell the difference. This is what we're looking like. So how are you feeling?
Fabulous as usual.
Okay. So what all did we take and learn from the course?
Basically, I learned that my application I was using at home was way too harsh. I was not evenly applying the makeup. I was not layering, and I was doing more strokes than patting. So I definitely learned a lot.
Alright. Then we'll do an update because I'm sure she'll be sending me pictures every time she does her makeup.
Oh, absolutely.
So that's it. Start one-on-one, and I'm gonna let you guys guess which side you think she did versus the side that I did. Take a guess.
Left or right? I learned the proper application. I learned the proper way to blend. I learned the proper way to contour. I actually learned how to apply my own lashes.
Oh, wait.
Y'all see it?
We're a little off. She needs some more brushes.
Yeah. Those are a little sketch. But I learned how to do my full face, smoky eye, and that's pretty much it.
Alright, is this a course that you would recommend to anyone?
Absolutely.
Alright.
It'd be perfect for a birthday party. You and your girlfriends get 3 of your girlfriends together for your birthday. Do a makeup class.